Unboxing my first ever Charles and Keith wallet. I bought them because I'm really into collecting cute wallets and mini bags. But before I bought these, I thought about it first for a million trillion, gazillion times for months. Because TBH, it's really pricey for my cheap ass haha. But why not, right? Maybe I really do deserve these kind of things. And also it's like a gift for myself now ring Seguro, since last May 30th was my first year anniversary working as a software QA engineer. Congrats self, you did great. Here's to more luho haha. You know, but I mean, maluho namin now ako like, Shopee order here and there. Shine order here and there. But this one is different. For me, it's dang level 2A. From my Kella wallet to Charles and Keith wallet, real quick yarn, haha. Look at the beauty of this black one. The bills really fit perfectly. It also has a lot of pockets for cards. But for me, I'm gonna use the pockets to separate me spending categories. Because I'ma be starting my cash stuffing or budget planning journey now. Support me, huh? I'm gonna be posting videos of me cash stuffing my new wallets and budget binders. And maybe I'm gonna share snippets of how I work as a software QA engineer. Remotely working from home and also when I report on site. Look at this white one. Lacus Maca Heart Evangelist Daha. Very clean and chic. Has a lot of pockets as well. And for me, perfect for dresses or formal wear and take neato. Because it also has a gold strap for when you like to use it as a mini sling bag or shoulder bag. I forgot to show you, but it can fit a lot of mini things as well. And I don't know why I tried putting the black one inside haha. But I'm excited to use these two hoo-hoo. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox these. You can check their prices online at Charles and Keith's website, or you can visit their physical store in Smega Mall where I got them. That's all for now.